Demolition expert Selena, standing by.
I think there's a casualty coming over there.
Please, save my child. We got separated when those zombies hit us in the woods. And I just can't find her anywhere.
The woods to the south are pretty dicey.
No worries. I'll go look right now. Ethan, take him back to the shelter and patch up those wounds.
Got it. Be careful. That area is way too dark and pretty risky.
I'll go with you. At least we'll have each other's backs. We can't just sit around while our friends' lives are on the line.
Survivors, you shouldn't be here. It's dangerous around.
We're looking for a nearby radio station to recruit more partners for the shelter. You know, you can't survive the zombie horde with just a few people. Who are you?
Guy, a rogue knight. Since we're heading in the same direction, I can tag along for a bit.
Thanks, friend. Selena. He's insanely good.
Yeah, it's been a while since I've seen someone this skilled.
Battles always bring more experience. It makes you stronger.
Bob is your uncle.
Demolition expert Selena, standing by.
Bob is your uncle.
Here's the radio station, but looks like it needs some fixing before we can use it.
Thanks a ton for your help, my friend.
Well, this is where we part ways. Until we meet again.
He's a real mystery.
A sharp blade and a wandering soul. Some paths are meant...
Alright, let's get the radio station fixed to recruit some partners.
I'm Scarlet. I picked up your signal on the transmitter. I remember this place should have fallen.
We indeed put in a lot of effort to clean up the mess here. Now, our shelter is seeking more partners.
You guys set up a shelter? Looks like my days of wandering are over. In a world full of pinks, be a purple.
Demolition expert Selena, standing by.
In a world full of pinks, be a purple.
Demolition expert Selena, standing by.
In a world full of pinks, be a purple. In a world full of pinks, be a purple.
Bob is your uncle. Bob is your uncle.
Demolition expert Selena, standing by.
Bob is your uncle.
In a world full of pinks, be a purple.
Who are you? Back off! Get any closer and I won't be nice.
Relax, we mean no harm. We're from the Northern Shelter. You seem injured and need medical attention.
Don't bother. I'm not leaving until I find my buddy.
Listen, ma'am. There's zombies all around here, and your wound could get infected without timely treatment. Our shelter isn't far from here. We can mobilize more folks to help you find your people.
Okay. You're right. I'm Catherine. And this is a photo of my buddy Rex. He's a very smart hound. Please, let me know if you have any news about him.